Hello, dear visitors from outer space. Welcome to planet Earth. I am Curious Saiman. I will help you get to know our beautiful planet Earth. Please log in using your alien account.
Okay, for the same procedure, students will have their own personal account to log into the task.
Let's get started.
So this topic is about soil.
Let's try out to see how much you know about planet Earth.
So here, students will have the pre-test. Includes vocabulary, unscribble sentence, means reconstruct the sentences, and reading comprehension. The last part is reading aloud. Students need to record their voice and finish the task.
Now, let's learn about some basic facts related to soil.
So here, students will have the pre-reading passage for them to practice. Through this reading, students need to complete the next tasks for them. So here, have the visual part. Students through the picture to know the matching words. Then, for the task, need to have the matching, to click the matching images. So I can know their comprehension about their vocabularies. So for the design part, I want to make sure that the images would not be vague for students to choose, so that students will focus on the meaning, not about the like misunderstanding about the images. So here comes the sentence structure.
They are rocks, humus, air, and water.
And here we combine the oral, visual, and linguistic part. So the last part is visual part, then move on to the oral section.
Many animals live in soil. Silt holds water, but it is very light and can be blown away easily.
And then press the finish button to move on. So here comes the text. So move on to the linguistic section. For the keywords, we have the definition of each word. So students know what's the meaning of these vocabularies. So when they read through the passage, they can more clear about what's going on and what's what they read in this passage. So when I design this passage, I try to contain the vocabularies that they learn in class. So I want to make sure that each of them have the words to familiar with it. And then press the record button to check their comprehension and reading fluency and pronunciation about this topic soil. And then they can press the play button to check the overall test is right or wrong.
Did you have fun trying out the reading tasks? Now,
Passage 2.
let's move on to read passage 2.
It's the same procedure as passage 1. Starts from the picture. And then the text for matching images. And then the sentence structure.
Crop need a lot of water from soil. Sand, silt, and clay are non-living things. They are too small to see with the naked eye.
Then for the text. Also for the main vocabularies, we will have the definition for students to check the meaning of it. For read aloud part, we will have the record button for land to check their reading fluency.
Great work. Do you know more about the soil on our planet now? Try and see how much you learned.
So here, after the pre-test and the task, we will have the post-test for students to comprehend what they're learning in this topic, soil. Starts from the vocabulary, then the sentence structure, then the reading comprehension. For the last part is, yes, read aloud. And then in the last section, we will have the scoreboard for students to check their scoring. After that, we will have the small game for students to, based on their learning content, to design the games. So this is the end of the soil topic about the ACSRP platform. Thank you.